Guys, today we're actually going to be working on the distributed property. What does that mean, right? Distribute. Well, real quick, I'm going to show you with shapes and triangles. So I have, let me erase this real quick. And you know what? No, let's not do that. Let's get going right with one of the problems on the assignment today. Yeah, let's do that instead. So question number 1, if you're looking at the assignment, it's going to be 6 parentheses 1 minus 5m. There we go. That's everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna color coordinator for you guys. I'm gonna grab the 6 and let me choose a better color here. There we go. Something darker. Yes, here. Oh my god, I am just not listening. Alright. Gonna multiply the 6 by the 1. That's the first thing I'm going to do. And then I'm going to multiply the 6 by the negative 5m. Okay? That's what is called the distributive property. You're going to have to multiply the 6 by 1 right here, right? And then the 6 by the negative 5m. So let's do that. So 6 times 1 is going to equal 6, right? And now 6 right? Now 6 times negative 5m is going to equal. So the first one we know is a positive 6, right? Because both of them are 6. The second one is going to be a negative and a positive, so it's going to give me a negative 30m. What am I doing? I put a 3. So negative 30m. And you might be asking, where do you get the m from? So look at this right here. Look at this negative 5m, right? You see that we have an m right here where I put the arrow? Whenever you multiply anything with m, or with any variable for that matter, what you're going to have to do, you're going to have to write the variable that you get. Okay? So right here, our answer is going to be 6 minus 30m. Now, I know a lot of people get confused, but let me just give a couple examples. I'm going to put right here on the side, I'm going to put examples. Examples of whenever you multiply stuff, right? Let's say we have 2 times 4m. And then we have 3 times x. Okay, so in both cases, I'm just going to multiply, right? Multiply regularly, so 2 times 4 is 8. Then I'm just going to add the m. Then now I'm going to multiply 3 times x. There's always an invisible. I'm going to kind of like put it shaded. There's always an invisible 1 in front. That's supposed to be a 1, by the way. So it's going to be 3. What? Right? Because 3 times 1 is 3. And then I'm going to rewrite the x. Okay? Finally, one last example. Let's say you multiply 2x. You're going to multiply that by 2x. Interesting. What am I going to get? So the 2 times the 2 is going to give me 4, right? Going to get 4. But also the x and the x are going to give me x squared. Keep that in mind. If you multiply two numbers that both have an x, your x is going to increase to the power of 2. I think we talked about this in the last video. Yes. It's going to increase to the power of 2. You see right here, right? The power of 2. Yes, so that's only whenever you have multiple x's multiplying to each other. Alright, let me see if the problem has any of that. No, it does not. Unfortunately, it does not. It's very easy, but this assignment should be relatively easy. So that's basically it. All I wanted to cover for today. It should be relatively easy. You just multiply the first number with the second number and the first number with the first number. And then that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video.